Hi folks, this is all the fruit. I'm on the island of Borneo. And here I have a couple more of those really confusing Borneo mangoes. This video is supposed to be about this one, the Asam plum, a small mango I bought in Kuching, but I wanted to show you just how confusing those mangoes are. I already made a video about Borneo mangoes, which were all Mangifera indica, probably with some genetic material from the local numerous or countless mango species mixed in. Those here are all the local jungle mangoes. So the local jungle mangoes, maybe in some cases with some Mangifera indica genotype mixed in, or I don't know, I haven't tried all of them yet. This one is the normal Borneo bambagan, which they call bawang around here. It's so crazy that I'm calling the bambagan or Mangifera payang normal. For me, it's so normal compared to all those strange and rare new mangoes I found here. This here is some crazy bambagan hybrid. All the old Bidayu people on the market agreed that this must be some hybrid between bambagan and something else, so I'm really excited about this one. This was a real discovery. I think they call it Asam billiard. They call all those local mangoes Asam and not mango. Well, this one was a mango. The flesh is soft, white and jelly-like with a taste of mild lemon juice. So it's like producing a better quality lemon juice than lemons, basically. Very tasty with a nice mild and pleasant sourness. And this is some plum here. Yeah, I don't think I've ever encountered it. Here are some ripe ones. 2 ripe fruit and 1 unripe fruit. Takes quite long to ripen. It was now for 3 days in a plastic bag, and this one didn't ripen at all. So, there are some plum. What can I say about it? It's quite an expensive mango. The green one was 10 ringgit a kilo, while those here were like 5 ringgit. Although at the end somehow I paid 3 ringgit for all 3 of them, so I guess at the end it was a bit more expensive than what I expected. And now let's try them. Let's first try the green one. No trace of the diesel or machine oil smell that's so typical for Borneo mangoes. This one also didn't have it. The bambagan has it to a crazy extent. This is some plum. Tastes like a pretty ripe and juicy, but sour Mangifera indica when it's not completely ripe. When it's ripe, it has a peachy flower with a lot of mangoes of Mangifera indica have. Interesting. This could actually be some Mangifera indica, or at least something which has Mangifera indica mixed in. They could also be the small off-season mangoes of some Mangifera indica variety. I don't think it's pure Mangifera indica, but it's quite close to Mangifera indica. Asam plum. I will try to Google it. I mean, several different people confirmed this name to me, so it must be something which is quite well known. I'll try to find out what it is. Nice taste for a Borneo mango. Yeah, really not bad. Funny. I think they told me it's for cooking, but I would eat this one. A little bit watery, not much substance to it, but a flavor a little bit like peaches. That's the crazy thing about Borneo mangoes. You never learn everything about them. There are even botanic gardens here in the area which plant mango trees, and they just write Mangifera SP because nobody has ever been able to identify them. So folks, this was Asam plum, a small but tasty Borneo mango. And for comparison, just some other stuff. The bambagan, the Asam billiard with the jelly-like lemon flavored flesh, and the crazy bambagan hybrid. I think there are some plum with its peach-like flavor is also quite interesting. So folks, stay tuned for a lot more mango videos from the beautiful island of Borneo. and don't forget to like, share, comment and subscribe.